Misty knew exactly what she wanted when the marriage ended. A clean break, a fast close, and a one-way move to the beach. What she didn't want was months of showings, inspection negotiations, and arguing over HVAC ductwork in a house she was already emotionally done with. This is how she got exactly what she wanted. The divorce was amicable. Her husband had already vacated and agreed to sign and split the proceeds. The house itself had good bones, a 5-year-old roof, newer appliances, solid structure. It also had accumulated clutter, cosmetic updates that hadn't been made, and HVAC ductwork that needed attention. Nothing catastrophic, but enough to invite negotiations she had no interest in having. A traditional sale would have meant an agent, staging, weeks of keeping the house presentable for strangers, and an inspector who would use every deferred item as a negotiating lever. It would also have meant more joint decisions between two people who are separating. Every additional decision point in a divorce is an opportunity for things to slow down or stall. Misty didn't want any of it. She wanted to hand the house off and go. She reached out to Travis Buys Homes. One conversation, one cash offer, no repairs required. The contract included a dumpster allowance for the junk left behind, handled as part of the deal, not left as her problem after closing. Her husband signed his portion of the paperwork without complication. Both received their share of the proceeds. Misty closed, walked away, and headed to the coast. The house and everything it represented were someone else's concern. If you're in a similar situation, 4 things matter. Both spouses must sign the closing documents in North Carolina, even if one has already moved out. Confirm that before you accept any offer. A cash sale collapses the decision points down to almost nothing: one offer, one closing date, fewer opportunities for friction. Every month the house sits unsold costs money, mortgage, insurance, taxes. And sort out the cleanout before closing. Get a dumpster allowance or cleanout assistance in the contract up front, not as an afterthought. We buy houses in Salisbury, Charlotte, and across North Carolina, as is no repairs, no showings, no inspection negotiations. We handle all closing costs. We work with both parties to make the paperwork as simple as the situation allows, and we can include a dumpster allowance for anything left behind. Go to travisbuyshomes.com, fill out the short form, and we'll have a cash offer to you within 24 hours. The next chapter is waiting. Let's get the house handled so you can start it.